Hi, I'm José Alberto Ayala Ortiz, CEO of PVpharm. I've been working in pharmacovigilance for more than 20 years, as a consultant and also as trainer in several pharmacovigilance training courses. This year we are organizing a training course on the 27th and 28th of May. The training can be followed either remote or face-to-face in Madrid. In this training we will have very experienced speakers that will tell you about the secrets of pharmacovigilance and the latest updates. We will be talking on several topics: latest updates from the regulatory point of view, artificial intelligence in pharmacovigilance, quality in pharmacovigilance, pharmacovigilance system master file, the role of the QPPV, pharmacovigilance database, and much more. So please join our training the 27th and 28th of May. If you join soon, you will be able to have early discount rates. So remember, face-to-face in Madrid or also remote 27th, 28th of May. Hope to see you there.